Okay, everyone, now I want to talk to you about engagement. This is why we schedule content, isn't it? We want engagement, we want to track our engagement, we want our audience to be engaged. So there's a couple of different ways that Genius Scheduler scans for engagement, and that's what I want to talk about right now. So I showed you in a previous video that we went over this post here, a post that has already gone out. And we are able to track the engagement right here, right? So we have 52 comments, 52 likes and 38 comments. So our Genius Scheduler is scanning for engagement because I have my engagement settings turned on. In addition to scanning engagement for your content that you've pushed out, you can also scan engagement for content that you've saved in your content library. So you can see this post here. I just saved this in my content library and I'll show you how to do that. And I've scanned it for engagement and didn't do so hot. So I probably won't reuse this, okay? Let's try another one. Let's go here to lead generation. All right, so I have, how you scan a post is clicking the three dots here and just clicking scan, okay? So I've already scanned this one, but I just wanted to give you another overview of how that works. So you can see the numbers here, which is really helpful. So I know this did pretty well and I'll probably reuse it. So how do we turn on those engagement settings? How do we make sure that our Genius Scheduler is scanning for engagement? What we do is hover down all the way to the little settings icon here, and you'll see engagement settings. It's probably going to be turned off when you first download Genius Scheduler. So what you want to do is toggle this on, and you're going to go through this criteria and set this up. I like to choose all pieces of content to be scanned. It's not limited to any specific type of content, and I highly recommend you do the same. Select scheduled post, sure. Scan schedule, I like to do daily. And then you can give it a time to scan every single day. And once you set that up one time, you don't have to do it again. All right, see you in the next one.